Today we are making an Easter banner, and this is similar to my other very popular banners that I've done, in that we are using an accordion piece to highlight your letters. So I think you're gonna like this project. It's super easy, super fast to make. I've made a couple of adjustments to make it even easier, and I think you're gonna like it. It's available in my Silhouette shop as well as KarinaGardner.com. So I hope you enjoy this. Let's get started here. I'm gonna show you how to put together one. The rest of the pieces, it's basically the same thing. And if you've made my banners before, then you're gonna have a good sense of this. I've only switched up one thing, and that is these accordions. I've given you an extra dot. And with this extra dot, you can use it to glue onto the back. If you don't wanna use my method where I like to glue on the inside of that tab, here, and I'll just show you guys. I like to glue on the inside of that tab. And when I do that, what it does is it holds that accordion together. If you don't want to do that, this is another method. And I've used it on banners in the past, but recently my Valentine banner was done by our social media director in Silhouette for Silhouette and Michael's project. And she used this method and I thought it was fantastic. So I decided to recreate it for this Easter banner. Okay, once these are both folded, just glue together. I'm using hot glue here. Glue together these two little side pieces. And I believe our social media director actually used tape. So of course you could use tape, which is fantastic. And then she glued the other side as well. So you guys know normally at this point, I actually like to glue in the middle. But instead, you can glue it like this. Okay. So then you can push it in and you get that accordion. And to hold it in place, that's what this little dot is for. So you can just glue it in the center. It's definitely a cleaner method than my hot glue everything in the center method. The only thing I don't love about it is that you really are gluing this side and then you flip it over, and sometimes it doesn't hold quite as well on this side, but that's okay because we're going to put our letter on it, right? So it's fine. All right, so once you get to this point, I don't know, I have this extra piece out. So you're going to glue down. I love this one because it's very, very purple, but there's lots of white mixed in. I like to mix a lot of white with my purple, just because I think purple can get a little overwhelming. So you get this layered banner piece, and then you're gonna glue this to the center. This is nice because you can glue it right to that center piece right there. And then glue your letter. I'm using 4 different purples here to mix it all up. You could also mix in pink and green if you wanted to. Mine's all purple today just for symmetry's sake, but feel free to mix up your colors. I'm sure it will be beautiful. So now I'm going to finish all the rest of these, and I'm going to show you how to put the twine on this banner. Really quick, I did want to show you that I did throw a few pop dots on this bunny right here, and what I'm going to do is just put it on the center. So this is my white banner piece, and I put a colored purple piece on it so that the bunny sticks out. And that's my divider for between all of my Easter and my happy. So I have everything on my twine here, and I thought I'd just show you how I like to put this on. So I like to go in from the front on the first hole and then out through the back, and then come back up through the next hole. And then that way the string is on the back side. And I just think that's really helpful because then you don't see it except for as it is connected to each of your pieces. And that's it. Isn't that so pretty? If you are not part of my VIP group, it is easy to join. You just click on my profile link or join at karinagardner.com, click on VIP, and I send out free files every single Tuesday. So if you want to get in on that, my free file Tuesday, go join. I would love to see you there, and I will see you guys soon.